Hey, what's going on everyone? Vega here for Serpent X Tech, and in this video I'm going to be doing my best to get this Octominer X12Ultra up and running and actually in the mining tent, so to speak. Basically, I got an old school 1060 here that I got from my friend, or got it back from my friend, and I'm just going to go ahead and get everything wired up. It is kind of barren. I am missing a number of GPUs, but it will slowly but surely fill up. I'm not too concerned about that. Right now, the biggest thing is the reason I'm working on this is at the same time, two birds, one stone. I am troubleshooting the Nvidia rig at the very bottom of your screen here that I need to work on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this wired up, because what I wanna do is shut down the tent through the PDU and breaker, get everything, move some things around, get everything squared away, and make sure that I can set this bad boy in there. So I'm just gonna throw you up on a time lapse and wire away. I already wired up the breakout board. It's obviously plain and simple. You guys know how to wire a GPU, or should know how to wire a GPU and breakout board by now, but throw you up on a time lapse and get this party started and then see what the final result is. Alright everyone, back in action. I'm going to have to do some rearranging of these GPUs. I really don't like the way this Zotac card is designed, with the power connectors like so deep into the PCB and so far like inward into the GPU. It's really stupid. Anyways, I put the shorter cards towards the front besides the 1060, which isn't going to get too hot when I put the other 3060 right here next to the 3060 Ti. But yeah, I basically got it on the top of the rack. I actually use the little foam pads that go on the bottom of risers. A couple of them, old ones that fell off, folded in half, used a little bit of glue and some duct tape, and I got enough distance, at least an extra 1/4 to 3/8 inch on top of the mining rig, so that way the cables aren't bending too crazy on the GPUs, as you can see there. So now it's just a matter of booting it up and setting it up. I'll continue to add more GPUs, all NVIDIA, to this Octominer X12Ultra, and then kind of go from there. I think this is going to be my limit though. I might put the 6 GPU rig on top of this particular Octominer case, because I can't fit another one if I wanted to. But we'll see. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But that's pretty much it. Just wanted to take you along with me on the journey of wiring up and getting this Octominer X12Ultra up and running. Hopefully this Zotac card doesn't give me any issues. If it does, I may give it away to one of my gaming colleagues out there. So stay tuned. Do me a favor on the way out. Make sure to hit the like button. Don't forget to get subscribed. Hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out links in the description that help support the channel and what we do here. And I will catch you in the next one. Take care. By the way, don't freak out if you hear this thing restart a couple times. It's okay.